Hi guys, in this lecture I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox in Windows 11. So first of all, what I need to do, I need to first install the VirtualBox in my system. So in the Google search bar I will type download VirtualBox and I will click this link, okay? And from here I'm going to select the Windows host since I'm using the Windows machine. So this will start a download process. So I already have this file in my system. So I'm going to open this VirtualBox and I will install it in my system. Okay, just wait, click yes, and then you just need to wait. Now you have to click next. I accept the terms and condition, click next. Okay, next, yes, next, okay, install, and this will start the installation process. It will take a while. It will not take more than 1 minute. Okay, it is a quick process, so just wait for a while. Okay, it has been installed. Okay, now I don't want to start the Oracle VirtualBox. Click finish. Now the first step is done and dusted, and now the next step is to download the Kali Linux. Okay, so download Kali Linux. Okay, and then I'm going to go here to this link. Okay, to this particular link. Okay, remember this link, choose your platform. So I'm going to select the virtual machine. So I want this Kali Linux for VirtualBox. I will click this, and this is going to start the download process. Okay, this will take some time to complete. Okay, the size is 3.3 GB. I already have this file in my system. I have already downloaded, so I'm going to cancel the process. Okay, so let me show you where this file is located. So I have placed the file in the directory in this particular folder. So this is the file. So if you look at the format of this file, it is in 7z format. Okay, so all you need to do is right click and extract all. Okay, after this you will get this folder. Okay, now let me just open folder. You will get two files, VirtualBox machine and virtual disk image. Okay, so what next you need to do, you need to open the Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, go and open run as administrator. Let me just open it, run as administrator, click yes. Okay, then what you need to do, you need to open this file plus and go to the folder where this file is located. So this is where my files are located. So I'm going to select this blue file, open this file, virtual machine. Okay, now I need to look at my settings. Go to settings and just look at settings. Okay, motherboard, memory, I'm going to specify 4 GB as my memory. Processor, I'm going to specify 4 CPUs. Okay, now everything is okay. Now what I need to do, I need to just click OK. Now I need to start this machine. Right click, or maybe you can click start from here. Okay, just click start and this will start the virtual machine. Okay, you just need to wait for a while and it will automatically start the machine. Okay, the virtual machine has been started. You just need to wait. Okay, look, this is the screen. Just wait, do not do anything, just wait. Okay, it is starting. It will take few minutes, so be patient and just wait. Okay, okay, now you have to provide the username and the password. So the default username is Kali and the password is also Kali. Okay, click login. Okay, So this is how you install Kali Linux on VirtualBox in Windows machine. So if you want to change the background, the wallpaper, what you need to do, you need to just right click, desktop settings. I want this one. So let me just go to select this, okay, apply and click close. Okay, so this is how you install Kali Linux. I hope you have gone through the process. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much and have a great learning.